sengonyama. I'm not going to take long because of time. Mhlambe ngokubuka ubuhle lobu omngaka engibona la ngumningwa kaZuma oyinduna yentombi aphinde abe i-founder no-chairperson wobuhle bezolo lethu Youth Development Organization, ebe uthisha we-Physical Sciences ephaswayo. So ngifuna ukuthi sengizwile ngingene kukhuluma usisi and then wakhuluma nosisi ngala ngabona ukuthi laba abantu laba bayatshala ematshitshini. So ngithi mina sisinozi ngoba sebetshalile ematshitshini ngizocela ukuthi on behalf of ubuhle bezolo lethu Youth Development Organization ngizocela ungi-identifyela amatshitsha awu-3 azokwamukela lokhu kade betshala ebese bethi bafuna ukuqala their own business abawu-3 ebese-ke sizozwa kubona ukuthi badinga ini, hhayi ukuthi ngumotsepe I do not have money but then ngizoba nayo abazoyidinga bona ukuthi I need this much to start a business. Okay, i-business labo ke sizolimanage kanje, umuntu uzoza kuwena esho ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza 1 2 3 4 yabo. Ebese wena uyamanage ukuthi uyakwenza yini leyo nto le athi ozoyenza. So intombi nje ezu-3 kuphela. Okay guys, because of time ngicela uku-introduce uNdlunkulu, sihamba noNdlunkulu lana. uNdlunkulu uMangubane kaMntwana uSibo wakaZulu, umntwana wakaMandlakazi. So ngoba elana uNdlunkulu umelela iNdlunkulu iyonke kahle kahle uzopha iso ukuthi kwenzakalani la eSoweto. Usezohamba ke ne-message ehambe yoyithula kwabadala ukuthi cha eSoweto kwenzeka u1 no2 no3 ukuze next time manenza umcimbo kanje ngalo yena unamandla ukuthi akube khona iNdlunkulu yengonyama ngobani ngoba uyayibona intombi zaseSoweto ukuthi ziyayithanda lento. So uzokwenza lokho nje uzobona ukuthi kuyenzeka yini lokhu bona njengeNdlunkulu abakuthunywe ingonyama ukuthi kwenzeke. So ngizocela ke ngezotha siphakame and then sikhothame ukuze sizomphakamisa ngesinto.
Before I can continue with what I want to say is that with the 3 identified business owners, number 1, I'd say, should the Mshango is Soviet. owners or to be a business owner, I'm a very big advocate. So with the three that you've identified, I'm saying let us help them be compliant and let's assist them in applying for funding. Yes. I am committing to say we'll assist in assisting them, but be compliant. Guys, funding is there. It's beautiful women. If we have seen or if we are listening to the news, it's more about women right now. So I think it's a good time to develop right now. And with those business owners, let us be compliant and let us apply. There's a new funding program that was just launched